Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting mid-task. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth and grab a spring bar tool or small flat screwdriver. Press and hold the tiny band release button while you slide the band out sideways. This disengages the connector latch. Do one side first, then the other, making sure you feel the click release. This prevents damage to the slot. Once done, set the removed band pieces together so screws or adapters don't get lost, and inspect the lug area for dirt or bent pins. Now you'll diagnose and fix the middle problem. Inspect the spring bars and connectors closely under good light or a magnifier because small bends or grimes stop proper seating. Clean the lug grooves with an isopropyl swab and a toothpick. Make sure no lint remains. If a pin is slightly bent, straighten it carefully with needle nose pliers. If it's compromised, replace the spring bar with the correct length. Once you've fitted a new or repaired pin, test the sliding action before reattaching. To finish, line up the band connector with the watch slot and slide it straight in until you hear or feel a solid click. You should tug gently to confirm it's locked. Make sure the band sits flush and the clasp or link tension feels right, adjusting links or micro adjustments as necessary for comfort. If something feels loose or the connector won't lock, replace the spring bar. Try the original manufacturer band, or inspect the lug for deformation. This single troubleshooting step resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.